Hi everyone, I'm Mohit and this is ATM All Things Mohit. Today I will be unboxing a smart garage opener. This is MyQ Universal Smart Garage Hub. I got this from Amazon. So Amazon was running a deal on Prime Day and this is what they had on deal because they want more and more people to kind of join their Amazon Key program. So what that program is that if you have a compatible device, you register on the Amazon Key program and they would get a code for delivery each time you select to give them access, and they would leave your packages in the garage. So a lot of companies have been trying this. There were previously attempts by Best Buy and Walmart to let people in your home, and even by some grocery delivery companies to come in and deliver groceries to your fridge. This is something I thought I would try because it seemed interesting, and if it feels safe enough, I would continue with it. So I've got this from Chamberlain. It is compatible with the garage doors that I have in my house, so that is something important to check. They generally say that your garage doors, if made after 1993, would be compatible with this, but it never hurts to check before you get this. The setup and the reviews that I've read about it online should be fairly simple. So if I can stop struggling about opening this package, I think it should be fairly easy to get it set up. Oh, they don't make it much intuitive how to open this box. Oh, here it is, it's just me. So inside there are a couple of units. So this is the unit that you would be attaching to your garage, wherein it should have a nearby signal to the hub or either Wi-Fi so that you can connect it to the network. And then this is the device, and there's a battery tab in here, as you can see. This would be attached to your garage door. So not too many units, and I believe this would be the power cables that you need to attach to this bigger unit. So as I imagine, power cable, a bit of mounting equipment. So the way you go about this is you connect this hub, Chamberlain MyQ hub, into you plug in, you connect it to your Wi-Fi, and through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi it would connect to the garage door that this has been connected to. Of course, you do need to kind of pair it with the existing garage door equipment that you have in the house. And how Amazon MyKey works is they would get a key code. So the person who's coming in to make a delivery would punch in the key code in their device, and that would open the garage door. They would leave your package, and then you will also get a notification at the same time. What I would recommend is you should have a camera in your garage to monitor what's happening and whoever is coming in. This also comes up with their camera that they want to pair with, but if you have one already installed in your garage, that would do the trick as well. And they do also have a code at Amazon whenever you are buying this on a deal or even the full price. The first time that you are doing an in-garage delivery, you apply that code. The next delivery you get like $30 off. So this pretty much pays for itself. So right now, if you go and check on Amazon, it would be around $36. So you're getting $30 back on your next delivery in case you do go with this. So I'm pretty psyched about trying this out. Hopefully it doesn't take too much time to install. And this was the unboxing of the MyQ Smart Garage Opener. Again, I am Mohit and you're watching ATM All Things Mohit. Do leave your comments and feedback on this video, and in case you want me to unbox or review any of the products, please leave that in the comments. Thank you.